Welcome from my tiny kitchen. If you're looking for a beautiful Christmas edible gift idea or a sweet treat to share with friends and families, why not try these white chocolate covered vanilla sponge cakesicles? Fill an oven-safe cakesicle mold with your favorite sponge cake batter about halfway. Bake, cool, and freeze until firm. Then insert a knife to make way for the popsicle stick. Dip the cakesicles in melted chocolate, shaking off any excess. Try to work fast at this stage because the chocolate sets really quickly. I made sugar decorations by using various press-in silicone molds. Rub a tiny amount of petal base or vegetable fat into the molds before pressing in sugar flour paste or gum paste. To make your own sugar flour paste, mix 1/4 teaspoon of CMC powder and 100 grams of fondant. You can make the decorations in advance so they will be firm when you stick them on with chocolate. And there you have it, an easy to make edible Christmas gift idea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.